In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize the layout of your profile headers and member directories in BuddyBoss Platform. Our new options allow you to have a profile header with the profile avatar set as center aligned, or with the profile avatar left aligned. In the members directory, you can set up icons to follow, connect, or message the member. Or you can display a single action button, which can also be configured to follow, connect, or send a message to the member. And not only that, we've also given you a bunch of options to customize which content appears in the header, as well as which content appears in the members directory. So for example, you could create a really minimalist members directory with just a small amount of content appearing for each member. As we prepare for the upcoming BuddyBoss Theme 2.0 launch, we are introducing these new options to help us achieve the BuddyBoss Theme 2.0 designs and to provide more flexibility and control to you as a site owner. And with that, let's jump into the WordPress admin so I can show you how to use these new settings. Here I am in the WordPress admin at BuddyBoss Settings Profiles. When you update to the latest versions of BuddyBoss Platform and Theme, you may notice these warnings telling you to install BuddyBoss Platform Pro to unlock these new layout options. If you're using BuddyBoss Theme, then BuddyBoss Platform Pro was included with your purchase. So if you see those notices, just head over to your BuddyBoss account area and make sure to download and install BuddyBoss Platform Pro on your site. Back at our profile settings, after enabling the BuddyBoss Platform Pro plugin, all of our notices have gone away, and so we can start to configure our new options. Let's start with the profile headers. Under Header Style, we have options to set the profile avatars to left aligned or center aligned. And under Elements, we can select which elements to show in the profile header. So coming back to the members directory, let's go ahead and open up a member profile. We can see the header style is set to left aligned. You'll also notice that we have changed the profile avatar to round. We did this to provide a more consistent experience throughout the platform, with profile avatars being round in the members directory and in profile headers, in both web and app. We're also displaying all of the optional elements, including an indicator that the member is currently online, her profile type, which is currently set to student, her member handle, the date she joined the community, when she was last active, as well as the number of members following her and the number of members she is currently following. So let's go back to the settings. Within these settings, the profile type checkbox will only appear if you have enabled profile types and if you have checked to display profile types. These checkboxes for followers and following will only appear if you have enabled the follow feature at BuddyBoss Settings Activity. Okay, so let's go ahead and change some of these settings. I'll switch the header style to centered. And then let's disable all of the options except for member handle and join date. And I'll click Save Settings. And let's go refresh her profile. And just like that, we have a totally different header style. We can also adjust the size of this cover image. If I scroll down to Profile Images, you can see we have this new option for cover image sizes. These settings were previously part of BuddyBoss Theme options. They've now been moved into BuddyBoss Platform Pro. We moved them so that we can have a consistent set of layout options in the BuddyBoss Platform settings, and so we can later extend these settings into the REST API. We can set the cover image width in profile headers to default or full width. I'll leave it as default. And we can set the height to small or large. I'll set it to large. And let's go ahead and save these settings. we get a warning that changing the cover image size will reposition our member cover images, since the image size is going to change. I'll click OK. And then let's refresh this member's profile. And now we can see that the cover image has become larger. And if I were to view as Lisa, I could go ahead and reposition this image as well. So now let's go back to the members directory, and we can customize which elements should appear here as well. We can see that we are currently showing action icons to follow, connect, or to send a message. If I'm already following the member, or if we are already connected, then the icon changes to indicate it. And we are also displaying all of the optional elements, including which members are currently online, profile types, when each member joined the community, when they were last active, and how many followers they have. So let's go ahead and change some of these settings. We can select if we should display grid and list view, or only grid or only list view. This is referring to the grid and list view toggle in the members directory. And we can pick if the default view should be grid or list. I'll leave these settings as they are. And then let's disable every element except for number of followers. And let's go ahead and save these settings. And let's go see how that looks. So now we have a simpler members directory, only displaying the number of followers. We can also control these action icons. We could uncheck any of these to remove the associated icon from the members directory. We can also add a primary action button. This will add a more prominent button above the icons. Let's use follow. And now the follow icon is going to be converted into a primary action button instead. So let's go see how that looks. So now we have a big follow button. And below it, we have our other icons for connect and send message. Let's go back into settings. And I'm going to disable the follow and send message icons. And then let's set our remaining connect icon to be the primary action button. And let's go see how that looks. And now we are only displaying our single primary action button. And this provides a really nice, simple experience. As you can see, we've provided a ton of options to customize how your members display. We're really excited to launch this feature. I know a lot of these options have been requested by customers who want more flexibility and control with how they can customize the look and feel of their communities.